Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday we were talking about orders of operations and how to solve them using PEMDAS. Okay, we're still with orders of operation in PEMDAS, but we're going to add in the exponents. Remember, we worked with exponents last week, but we're going to fit it into the orders of operation this time. So let's go ahead and share my screen and do a few problems. Oh no, I wrote it across my screen. Oh well, hopefully that doesn't mess us up. All right, so let's look at it. So we have a regular orders of op. Remember, I told you to write PEMDAS at the top of your paper to keep yourself going in the right order. Multiply, divide, add, subtract. Okay. Remember, it's always from left to right, whichever comes first when you get to the multiply, divide, add, subtract. Okay. So let's look at our first problem. We have in parentheses 6 minus 5 times 9. And then on the outside of the parentheses, we have minus 8. So if I'm following my PEMDAS, it says I need to start with my parentheses first. So inside my parentheses, I have subtraction and I have multiplication. If I look at PEMDAS, multiplication comes first, then the subtraction. So we're going to deal with the multiplying first. So I'm going to cover up this. So I have 5 times 9, which is what? 5 times 9 is 45. So I'm going to rewrite. Get in the habit of rewriting as you solve each section of your PEMDAS, okay? All right, I still have parentheses. Now I have 6 minus 45. Now you may be thinking, ooh, miss, I can't subtract that. Oh no, I got a little blurry there. There we go. I can't subtract that. You are correct. You can't subtract it. So what's going to happen is you're going to have a negative number. Yes, you can have negatives when you're dealing with orders of operation. So because I know I don't have enough to take away from this, I know it's going to be negative something. But I'm going to subtract it like I normally would subtract a problem. I'm going to set it up like this. Okay. I have to borrow so that way I can subtract properly. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 9 left over on that side. And then I bring down my 3. So now I'm going to put that over here. Okay. Now I have negative 39 minus 8. If we remember our integer rules, when I have two negative numbers, my answer will stay negative, right? So 2 negatives will stay negative. Same signs means I need to add them. So now we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then a 4. So our final answer is going to be negative 47. Okay. So again, you can have negatives. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at this next one. Hey, 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 I have an exponent here. All right. So if I'm following my PEMDAS, I need to start with the parentheses first. Inside of my parentheses, I have an exponent, I have a subtraction symbol, and I have a division symbol. According to the order, I need to start with my exponent. Remember, this is my base, and this exponent tells me how many times I need to multiply that base. So 3 to the power of 2 means that that is 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? If you said 9, you are correct. I'm going to rewrite this now because I solved for that exponent. Okay. I still have parentheses. I have subtraction and I had division. According to my PEMDAS, I'm going to take care of the division next. So I'm going to cover this guy up. What is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3. If you said 2, you are correct. So I'm going to rewrite 9 minus 2 and then times 8 on the outside. So I still have these parentheses. I have subtraction left. What's 9 minus 2? If you said 7, you are correct. Now I finally have 7 times 8. 7 times 8. You said 56. You are correct. Okay. So how do you feel about that first exponent problem using our orders of operation? Hopefully not too bad, right? All right, let's do another one with an exponent on there. Oh no, I can't see my PEMDAS, so I'm going to go ahead and write that again. And put on my little arrow reminding me it goes left to right. All right, let's do this one. I have parentheses, so I'm going to start in here first. So I have a multiplication symbol and I have an exponent. According to my orders of operation, I need to deal with the exponent first. This is my base. I have a base of 2, and this exponent is telling me that I need to multiply it 4 times. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to rewrite it. Okay. I still have parentheses, but inside the parentheses, all I have is multiplication left. So I'm going to set that up to multiply. 8 times 6 will give us 48. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So our parentheses are gone. Now all we have left to take care is the addition on the outside. So now I have 128 plus 13. I'm going to go ahead and line that up so I can add it quickly. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, and then a 1. So our final answer here is 141. Okay, let's look at the next one. Also has an exponent in it, but look, the whole thing is in parentheses. Okay, so we're going to go to the next thing, exponents, which I do have. My base is 5. My exponent is telling me that I need to multiply it twice. So it's going to be 5 times 5. So I'm going to rewrite 4 plus 25 minus 2. Okay. Now I have addition and subtraction. So whichever one comes first from left to right. So I start from the left, I come across addition. So 4 plus 25 will give me 29. And then finally I have 29 minus 2. So my final answer is 27. Okay. All right, guys, we're in the home stretch. Another one, I have just parentheses and it's all subtraction. So I'm probably going to end up with a negative number here. If the negative symbol or subtraction symbol, remember they're the same thing, is in front of the number, it goes with that number. So there's nothing in front of the 2. So if I use my combining skills, because these have the same symbol, I can go ahead and add them together and keep the sign. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 minus, and off to the side, I'm going to add the 8 and the 7 together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15. Okay. So now I have 2 minus 15. I know I don't have enough to take away, so that means my answer is going to be negative, but I can't subtract that way. So I need to set it up the right way to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down my 1. So my final answer is a negative 13. Okay. All right, guys. This is orders of operations with the exponents added in there. Okay. You have an assignment to do. You have a few problems that you're going to use to practice. And of course, if you need help, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Okay. So go ahead and go back to the folder and click on your assignment for day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.